Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Xenia Assertion failed on Steam Deck. So what you need to do is first double click Xenia canary.config.toml, then Ctrl F, type Vulkan, then change that to either D3, D12 or any. He picked any, and it is might be better to do the other in case Vulkan is the issue and some games try to run Vulkan. Now, add game to Steam using Emudex ROM Manager. Relaunch Steam and right-click your game. First Proton, then pick Proton Experimental. After that, launch the game. And after that, it should fix the problem. And that's basically it.